Oh,
Yes, sir.
Odisha. Good. Yeah. What is the degree you have studied,
Sir,
Chandan?
I am sir BSc,
अच्छा.
sir, BSc in computer, sir.
ओह, आई थिंक वी हैव टॉक्ड अर्लियर. पहले एक बार बात किया ना, बिकॉज आपको
हाँ,
कुछ
हाँ, 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 सर, हाँ, सर.
बिकॉज आपको कुछ
चाट में हम लोग ने लिखा.
हाँ आपको कुछ स्टैमरिंग प्रॉब्लम है उस समय पर हम भी बोला ना आपको. पहले आपको
Yes, yes,
यू
yes, sir.
शुड नॉट हैव एनी फियर. फियर नहीं होना चाहिए. समझ गया?
Okay, sir.
Without fear,
Okay,
you
sir.
must answer. Yeah. What is your
Okay, sir.
what is the degree you have studied, please?
Sir, BSc in computer, sir.
BSc in agriculture.
Yes, sir.
Oh, very good, very good. Did you study something related to agriculture? What is the? Can you tell some few points about Indian agriculture systems and its position now? हिंदी में
Sir,
भी
India
बोल
is
सकते.
the.
आप हिंदी में भी बोल सकते हैं. अभी इंडियन
हाँ, sir.
एग्रीकल्चर का बारे
हाँ,
में
हाँ, sir. हाँ,
बताइए.
sir.
या
जी सर. सर, इंडिया एक अग्रगण्य है. जैसे इंडिया का मैक्सिमम लोग हमारा एग्रीकल्चर 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 में है, जब होते हैं. तो उनका इनकम सर एग्रीकल्चर है. तो इंडिया सर इन एग्रीकल्चर इंडिया इज द रैंक इन सेकंड रैंक इन वर्ल्ड. राइस इज द परमानेंट क्रॉप इन इंडिया.
या
फॉलोइंग टू व्हीट.
हम्म. अच्छा, आपका
India is
पिताजी.
exporting tea
हाँ.
and many others. Sir, मैंने.
हम्म.
जी सर.
या आपका पिताजी क्या काम करते हैं?
सर, मेरे पिताजी सर एक लैब है सर.
अच्छा.
लैब एक लैब है.
लैब.
जी सर. मेडिकल लैब है.
मेडिकल
मेडिकल
लैब.
लैब.
अच्छा. वेरी गुड. सोनाली गौतम has come, Manisha Bajaj has come, Ankita Dash, Gayatri Ji, Raman Preet Kaur. Welcome. Some more people are coming. Yeah, welcome. Yeah, good. Um,
Sir,
yeah, who is speaking? Sonali, please tell me. Just now we started. Just now.
I wanted to ask you something.
Yeah, please tell.
Sir, while DV, do they need my plus two passing certificate?
+2 certificate.
Sir, DMC is required, I know, but my passing certificate is also required or not?
+2 certificate is required.
Sir, DMC, my mark sheet, no?
Mark sheet alone may not do. They may insist on +2 certificate also. If you are not having, they may take an undertaking letter from you, then permit you to attend the interview, asking you to produce it later on.
Sir, okay, but I don't have that. What is the...
You'll have to apply for it. You have to apply for the duplicate from the board. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, you have to apply for it. Without that, they may sometimes they will degree certificate they want. In fact, there are many candidates who are appearing for today Karnataka Bank interview. They don't have MSc certificate also, because BSc certificate also not given by university. So in such cases, probably they may take a letter and permit you. But your case, you have lost it, is it not?
Sir, I haven't lost it. Actually, I have given it to my college, but they are saying that they don't have that.
Have they given you other certificates?
Sir, I do have all certificates except that passing certificate of plus two.
10th is there, and degree certificate is there.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Ji, sir.
Then I don't know how they will tackle it. You are appearing for SBI or IBPS?
For IBPS.
Achha, you have time now. Why don't you try? But of course, getting it within 1 week and all is not possible. So, do you have a Xerox copy of the certificate?
No, sir. No. That's why I'm so tense.
ओहो, जब आपने बैंक को कॉलेज को दिया है, आपका पास सर्टिफिकेट रखने से अच्छा होता है ना. कोई बात नहीं. Past is past. Now we can't solve it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Now today some people attended some SBI interview it seems, and the questions they asked are all very funny. Like Hyderabad, they have asked about Hyderabad is famous for what, and why Hyderabad biryani is famous. Other famous places in Hyderabad, Square Drive, Cover Drive, that is relating to cricket. Then they asked what is Netflix hobbies. Then storyline of last watched series. Then family background. I think this has gone very smoothly, not much of a tension. But kabhi the interview will be more of tension also. So we will start with Ramanpreet Kaur. Ramanpreet Kaur, hello. You are from which
Hello.
place?
Sir, I am from Uttar Pradesh.
Uttar Pradesh. Very good. What is your degree?
Sir, I did graduation in commerce, BCom honors from Delhi University.
Acha, good. Can you tell me something about the functions of Reserve Bank of India?
Sir, it regulates the economy
Hmm.
by ensuring price stability, inflation.
Hmm.
It acts as banker to the government.
Hmm.
It is the note issuing authority,
Hmm.
and it is the lender of the last resort.
Okay. Did you cover all the items or you have omitted one or two items?
So I think one or two are left.
Oh. Can you repeat again? Please try again.
Sir, it is the note issuing authority of the country.
Ah.
It acts as banker to the government.
Hmm.
It is the lender of the last resort,
Hmm.
and it regulates the economy by ensuring price stability and inflation.
How it is being done? How it is done?
Sir, by LAF and monetary policy, sir. The
What?
main tool is monetary policy.
Acha, what is LAF?
So it stands for Liquidity Adjustment Facility,
Ah.
and it has basically two components: repo rate and reverse repo rate. So repo rate is the rate at which RBI lends money to banks,
Hmm.
whereas in reverse repo rate it is the rate at which bank provides their surplus money to the RBI.
Supposing the banks provide surplus money to RBI, what is the rate of interest they will get?
So presently it's 3.35%, sir.
Acha, why this rate is lesser than the repo rate?
Okay, sir.
Why?
Sir,
Why?
so that, sir, this difference is also called the interest corridor,
Hmm.
and it is the income for RBI.
Hmm.
सो सर जिसलिए आरबीआई एक प्रॉफिट अर्न कर सके जिस पे वो इंटरेस्ट दे रहा है वो रेपो रेट है, और जिस पे उसको मतलब वो प्रोवाइड कर रहा है वो रिवर्स रेपो रेट है. तो सर इसका जो डिफरेंस है पॉजिटिव आए और आरबीआई एक प्रॉफिट अर्न कर सके, इसलिए रिवर्स रेपो रेट इज ग्रेटर देन रिवर्स रेपो रेट इज ग्रेटर देन रिवर्स रेपो रेट, सर.
Very good. What is the present repo rate?
It's 4%, sir.
4%. What is your father?
Sir, my father is commercial tax officer in UP government.
Acha, why are you telling it with so sadness?
No, sir.
इतना sadness क्यों हुआ? आपको डर रहे हैं इंटरव्यू
नहीं,
के
नहीं.
बारे में? क्यों इतना डर? आपका वॉइस में थोड़ा भी कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं, क्यों?
सर क्योंकि सर इंटरव्यू है 26 को, तो थोड़ा बहुत डर लगता है.
इंटरव्यू में टेंशन है. अच्छा, पहले पॉइंट इज यू शुड नॉट हैव टेंशन. Anybody knows how I can stop this coming here? Because it is coming there, it is also appearing unnecessarily here. Yeah, tell me, why are you having fear? Why this fear? Tell me. Ramanpreet
Kaur. About that.
Huh?
Yes, sir. So I'm just thinking what would happen on that day. What if I'll not be able to answer some questions? That is the only
Okay,
thing.
let us assume you are not able to answer few questions. What will happen?
Yes, sir.
बताओ ना.
Sir, I'm trying to give my best.
No. Imagine you are not able to answer 2 questions, 3 questions out of 10 questions. क्या होगा? आपका सिलेक्शन नहीं होगा बस. Correct? दूसरा, again next time you will get a chance. You must have confidence.
Yes, sir.
Okay? Tell me what is BOP?
Sir, BOP stands for balance of payment.
Okay.
It shows.
No, not required. No, unless they ask, don't tell. If they ask only expansion, you tell only that. What is CII? CII.
Confederation of Institutional Investors, sir.
Confederation of Indian Industries.
Sorry, sir.
What
Okay.
is CPI?
So it stands for Consumer Price Index.
Okay. What is ECB?
External commercial volume.
External.
External.
Hello.
So yes, external. I don't know, sir.
External commercial borrowing.
External commercial borrowing.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Acha, can you tell me what is ECS?
So electronic clearing system.
Clearing scheme. Can you scheme? Can you tell two electronic remittance schemes names? Can you tell the name of two remittance schemes names?
Sir, RTGS and NEFT, IMPS.
Ah, good, excellent. What is EPF?
Employment Provident Fund, sir.
Employees Provident Fund. अभी एम्प्लॉयज प्रोविडेंट फंड का लास्ट टाइम कितना इंटरेस्ट दिया है? 8.5. 8.5. 8.5. ठीक है.
Okay, sir.
Very
Okay, sir.
good. Ramanpreet Kaur, correct?
Yes, sir.
What is very good in Ramanpreet Kaur that Ramanpreet Kaur likes?
Sir, I like to communicate with people,
Okay.
and I possess leadership qualities as well. Because during my college days, I was associated with a society, and I lead the team of around 100 people, sir.
Good. What were you doing leading them?
Sir, I was part of I was there in various social awareness campaigns that were being organized in collaboration with various NGOs, sir. I was the vice president of enabling unit of our college.
Acha. What is ECGC?
Credit Guarantee Corporation.
Now, why are you telling without confidence? Huh?
Sorry, sir.
Yeah. Okay. What is CASA?
Sir, it stands for Current Account and Saving Account.
Okay. What is it? What are your hobbies?
Sir, walking. To
Walking.
remain walking, sir.
Really? Walking?
Sir, walking because it keeps me energized throughout the day, sir.
Acha. How many kilometers will you be walking per day?
Sir, around 4 to 5.
4 to 5 kilometers.
Yes, sir.
Will you go
On a
alone?
regular.
Will you go alone or with some dog or something like that? No,
Sir,
I have
alone.
seen many people walking with the dog, you know.
Yes, sir.
So, what is the advantage of having pets?
Sir, they are friendly, they are caring, and sir, this is
That's all.
the thing. Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you have any questions to ask?
Sir, I just want to know what all topics should I prepare for.
I have been telling you for all these 10-15 days so many topics. I have given you lot of materials, I have given you lot of links and all that. But at least that 10 pages material all of you must go through. I am asking only questions from there. But even
But
that...
I don't have the.
Hello?
I don't have the PDF.
You don't have that PDF? Acha. I will put it now in which group are you member? SBI, IBPS, PO?
Sir, SBI IBPS, you're right.
Yeah, I am just adding it now. I will put it there. How many? I have been putting it frequently, doesn't matter. Adda, what is this Adda? Adda 2021 interview. Adda 2021 interview. 1 minute. Adda 2021 interview question PDF. that is coming. Adda 2000. 1 minute. Adda 2021. Adda. Gayatri, you have that one?
Which one, sir?
The Adda 2021, 10 pages material.
Regarding that interview.
Interview.
format.
Yes, please. I got it. Now I am
Sir,
posting
there
it.
is ATA RRB.
हाँ, exactly. अभी पोस्ट कर दिया. Adda 247 SBI IBPS RRB. Yeah, what?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I have posted it now.
I got
Raman.
it, sir.
Yeah, Raman Preet Kaur.
Yes, sir.
I have posted it now. You can make use of that.
Okay, sir.
How many marks will you give for your interview? This interview.
Sir, I don't think I'm the right person to
No,
give marks.
imagine you are evaluating yourself. How many questions could you not answer properly?
Sir, around 3-4.
Very good. You are aware about that. That's fine. Thank you. I'll move on to Chandan Pradhan.
Yes, sir. I am there, sir.
Hello, how are you?
I'm okay, sir.
Fine.
Fine, sir. I am fine, sir.
Oh,
Okay, sir.
you are from BSc Agriculture.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What do you know about the farmers' agitation? Has it stopped or is it going on still now?
Sir, it is still it is sir going now. Sir, the MSP, sir, the farmer issue regarding sir the MSP. MSP is the big issue for the farmer. They are scared that the new law could exclude the MSP. So they sit on the road of the Delhi boundary.
Tell me. Okay. They are agitating for the abolition of the 3 laws, withdrawing
Yes,
of the
sir.
3 laws which have been passed, and the government is not going about it. Now you are from
Yes, sir.
Odisha.
Yes, sir.
Odisha Chief Minister का नाम क्या है?
Sir, Sri Naveen Patnaik, sir. Naveen Patnaik.
Okay. Who is the our finance minister?
Sir, Mr. Arun Sahu.
Pardon?
Sir, Mr. Arun Sahu.
Okay.
Sir.
Can you name the 2-3 rivers going in Odisha?
Sir, it's Indravati, Tel, Pasudara, and sir, it is one of the river is sir
Mahanadi.
Mahanadi.
Correct.
Yes, sir.
Mahanadi.
is there, sir.
Very good.
Mahanadi.
Now shall we come to banking?
Yes, sir.
या बैंकिंग में पूछेगा, फटाफट आंसर देना है आपको. क्यों हम लोग ये नौकरी देना है बताइए.
Sir, first thing, sir, I am the agriculture and the banking is a co-leader.
Okay.
As a student, I can use my knowledge for the banking sector, and indirectly, sir, I can work for the farmer. And sir, which will help the loan of the which will help the bank, sir. So I think, sir, I am the eligible candidate for the bank job, sir. Thank you.
अच्छा, what qualities differentiate you from other candidates?
Sir, I am a team player. I am, sir.
Yeah.
Team player, sir. I am a team player and hardworking, honest. I am. I am very honest, and sir, I believe in as a team leading, sir. I can work with my staff and work with staff in a bigger level.
अच्छा, Chandan, what are your hobbies?
Sir, writing, sir. Poem writing.
Poem in
Odia.
अच्छा, can you recite a poem you have written recently? 3 or 4 lines.
Sir, in Odia I will tell.
Yeah. And then translate that, give the meaning of that in English also. Or Hindi.
Okay, sir. So, sir, the poem is that when sir, I wrote in love poem. I read. Shall I read, sir?
Yeah.
ନାହିଁ ଅଧିକାର ତୋ ପରେ ମୋର କିନ୍ତୁ ତୁ ଜାଣିଛୁ କି ମୁଁ ଏକା ତୋର ସବୁଠି ଥାଏ ସବୁଠି ନଥାଏ
Hmm.
କେମିତି କହିବି ତୁ ଯେ ମୋର
Hmm. Acha, what is
So
the
one
meaning?
is
What is the meaning?
sir, PF is trying to say his girlfriend that he loves her very much. That's the whole theme of the poem, sir.
It's a love poem or what is it?
Yes, sir. Love poem, sir.
Very good, very good. Who are the famous authors of love poems in Odisha? Odia.
Madhur Mansingh, sir. Fakirman Senapati. And sir, Mrs. Anupa Patnaik. And sir, Tadanath Ray. Okay, sir.
Very good.
अच्छा फेमस पोएट
ओडिया फेमस हीरोज नाम बताइए.
सर अनुराग महांती, बाबूसान, उत्तम महांती, विजय महांती. दे आर द फेमस हीरोज ऑफ इंडियन इंडस्ट्री.
वेरी गुड. अच्छा, आपने सुना है बिटकॉइन का बारे में?
व्हाट इज बिटकॉइन? सुना है सर.
व्हाट इज दैट?
सर इट इज सर ऑनलाइन कॉइन व्हिच इज illegal. And now his value is 10 times more higher than the previous years. And RBI has directed the bank to use this coin.
Bitcoin is a virtual currency or cryptocurrency and a payment system. It can be defined as decentralized means of tracking, assigning wealth or economy. It is a software protocol. Yeah, full details about it तो अभी पता नहीं होगा. अच्छा, ये क्वेश्चन बताइए, व्हाट इज कैपिटल मार्केट?
So capital market sir is regulated by SEBI. It generally deals with the share and bonds. The IPO of the Indian company.
But instead of that, कैपिटल मार्केट को डेफिनेशन ऐसा बोल सकते हैं, कैपिटल मार्केट इज एन ऑर्गेनाइज्ड मार्केट which provides long-term finance for business.
Okay, sir.
Whereas money market provides short-term finance for business.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Long-term business and short-term business.
Do you know what is a scheduled bank?
Yes, sir. The bank which are in sir, RBI Act, second schedule of RBI Act, 1935.
34. Act
Yes.
1934.
Yes, sorry, sir.
Yeah.
34.
What is the minimum paid up capital should be there for scheduled bank?
Sir, it's 500 crore.
It is 5 lakhs for the old banks. Now,
Yes,
if
sir.
you want to start a new one, it has to be 500 crores. Small
Yes, sir.
banks शुरू करने के लिए कितना कैपिटल चाहिए?
200 crore, sir. 200 crore.
वेरी गुड. पेमेंट बैंक स्टार्ट करने के लिए कितना कैपिटल?
100, sir. 100.
100 crore. Can you name 2-3 payment banks?
Yes, sir. Indian Post Payment Bank, Jio Payment Bank, Airtel Payment Bank.
Very good, very good. Which payment bank are you using?
Nothing, sir. Nothing.
You are not using anything because
No, sir.
Airtel payment bank भी use कर सकता है ना, because if you have
सर मेरे पास एयरटेल का सिम नहीं है, सिम नहीं है, इसलिए मैं यूज नहीं कर रहा हूँ.
अच्छा,
जियो का सिम है.
वेरी गुड. आपने क्या बताया, आपका पिताजी क्या काम कर रहे हैं?
सर उनका एक लैब है सर. लैब है.
लैब. अच्छा,
मेडिकल लैब सर.
मेडिकल लैब. अच्छा अच्छा. और अभी कोरोना का बारे में कुछ बताइए.
सर कोरोना सर चीन का वुहान कंट्री से हुआ था, एरिया से. And sir, it's all over the world. It is a great pandemic. It lost our economy. And many of the sector, except agriculture sector, are the because down. Except the agriculture sector. And sir, from it is seen in 2019 from December from China. And sir, there are more number of COVID cases in USA. And now the second vaccine in India is in a running stage. Recently, PM Modi today PM Modi takes his vaccination.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
good. Last question for you.
Yes, sir.
What is SGB?
SGP.
हाँ जी.
I
S
don't know,
means
sir.
S means Singapore, G means George, B means Bombay.
सीमापुर जज बॉम्बे.
Singapore George Bobby nahi hai. I am asking what is the expansion of that in terms of banking.
I don't know, sir. Sorry, sir.
Yeah, Gayatri.
Sovereign gold bond, sovereign.
Yes, sovereign gold bond.
Sovereign gold bond.
Sorry, sir. I
Acha, you are not.
Sorry, sir.
Are you appearing for SBI or IBPS?
IBPS PO.
Okay, this question they have asked today in SBI interview. Very good. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, now we will go to Ankita Dash. Ankita Dash,
Yes, sir.
I think second or third time you are attending our class, na?
Sir, second time.
Second
Second
time.
time.
Acha, acha. You are from which state?
Sir, I am from Odisha.
Again Odisha. Oh, Chandu. Chandan also is from Odisha. You are also from Odisha. Which part of Odisha are you staying?
Sir, I am currently staying in Bhubaneswar.
Bhubaneswar. Okay. What is importance of Bhubaneswar?
Sir, Bhubaneswar is known as the temple city. There are many temples that have a lot of architectural importance that are also in Bhubaneswar and all around Odisha. But in Bhubaneswar specifically, there are some temples that have a lot of architectural significance.
Very good. And why did you not mention Bhubaneswar is the capital of Odisha?
Yes, sir, also that. Yes, sir, that is also there.
That is also there. Good. Can you name some important tourist spots in Odisha?
Yes, sir. The number one tourist spot would be Puri, because it is one of the four dhams of India. So there are a lot of tourists in Puri. And sir, talking about Bhubaneswar, there is a very famous temple called the Lingaraj Temple, which is very old, and the architecture is very nice over there. And then there is the Brahmeshwar Temple, and other than that, sir, there is Chilika, which is also a Rameshwar site. It is only Rameshwar site from Odisha. And other than that, there is sir Bhitar Kanika, where there are a huge amount of crocodiles that are found, and people are allowed to visit them. And sir, there is the Nandan Kanan Zoo.
Okay, sufficient. Tell me about your education. Hello?
Sir, yes, sir. Sir, I have done my BTech in mechanical engineering.
Oh बाबा, हाँ, मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग, सुपर. बताइए, मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग पढ़ने के बाद में इधर क्यों आया जी?
Sir, because sir, mechanical engineering I have done, but I was not as interested in the IT industry, and so presently in the engineering market, the only profiles that are offered is IT, and I've always been interested in finance and marketing. So both of those combined is an option which was available in the banking sector. So I like the profile of the job and the aspects, the future aspects. So that is why.
Can you tell me famous persons from Odisha now occupying higher positions?
Yes, sir. Sir, number one is Shri Shaktikant Das, sir, who is the governor of RBI. And there is Sir BP Kanungo. Sir, he was the deputy governor earlier. And now...
He
sir,
is
there
also
a
deputy
Michael
governor now. Now also deputy governor.
Okay. Okay, sir. Then, sir, there is Michael Patra, sir. And...
He is also deputy governor. Arey Baba,
also
abhi
Sir?
out of 5 people, 3 people are from Odisha.
yes, sir.
I am the chief is from Odisha.
Pardon?
I am the chief Indian material. I am the chief, sir.
Oh,
IMD.
IMD chief. Acha, acha, acha.
Sir,
Okay.
NDRF chief from Odisha, sir.
Oh, very good, very good, very good. Nice. Excellent. Now we'll continue with Ankita. Ankita, what do you understand by GST?
Sir, goods and service tax. Sir, that is the tax that we have to. Sir, that is a cumulative tax that we have to pay for certain goods and services that are already predefined.
अच्छा, उड़ीसा में क्या क्या इंडस्ट्रीज अच्छा चलता है?
Sir, steel.
Hmm.
There is steel, and sir, steel is number one. That is why, sir. There is Dharmendra Pradhan, sir. He said that he is going to make Odisha the steel capital of India, because we have that in plenty of amount, and over here the production is high. Sir, also mining. Mining is another industry that is very prosperous in Odisha. And other than that, sir, in natural resources, we have, I think, sir, there is some amount of bauxite, but not a lot. So mainly it is steel,
Mainly
steel,
steel only. Good, excellent.
steel,
Now,
and aluminium.
what is a small bank?
Sir, small finance bank.
Anji.
Sir, small finance banks were created by RBI, sir, so that to enable money, to enable credit to, sir, small scale industries and low income people, so that they could access some amount of money and for financial inclusion, so that they can also avail the banking services, and their accounts are maintained where the balance is not very high.
नो नो, ये बताइए स्मॉल बैंक में स्टार्ट करने के लिए कितना कैपिटल चाहिए? अभी हम लोग डिस्कस किया. व्हाट इज द
Sir, 200.
वेरी गुड. Small bank, how much percentage of their total advances must go to priority sector?
It's at 40%.
No, 75.
Uh,
Can you
50.
name
No,
one,
sorry.
2, 3 small finance banks?
Sir,
You don't know?
no, I can't, sir.
Jana Small Finance Bank.
Jana Small Finance Bank, correct. Then AU Small Finance Bank. Yeah.
That's small finance bank, a small finance bank.
Yeah. What is your name? Ankita? Yeah, it's okay. You have not. You have been answering all the questions nicely. As a girl, which game were you interested in? Small girl.
Sir, actually, in my school, I was the sprinter. I have won inter-school level sprinting
Oh.
races and relay races.
Excellent.
Sprint.
Can you name some sprinters from India? Famous sprinters.
Yes, sir. Famous sprinters from India would be PT Usha. Then
Very good. Pass. Your pass. I had that name only, and you told correctly. You have passed. Good.
and,
Badhiya.
and sir, from Odisha,
Ah,
there is Duti Chand.
tell me. Odisha.
Sir, from Odisha, there is Duti Chand. Duti Chand.
Very good. Now something on banking for you.
Yes, yes.
What is GDP?
Sir, that is the gross domestic product. Sir, it signifies the country's income in the current financial year as to how much we have earned and how much the expenses would have been.
Okay. What is fiscal deficit?
Sir, fiscal deficit is the government's total earnings, that is from tax collected and everything, and the total expenditure.
Super.
Subtracting
Bus. Correct.
those
Good.
two.
You told nicely. Very nice. What is IPO?
Sir, that is initial public offer. Sir, that is when a company wants to get some more funds for its expansion and innovation. They will go to the market,
Excellent.
a primary market.
Sufficient. Good. Very good. What is LAF?
Sir, liquidity adjustment facilities.
What is
Sir, this is,
LAN? What is
and
LAN?
liquidity adjustment measures.
No.
No.
LAN. N for Nagpur. Local area network.
Network, yes. Sir, I was thinking
Yeah.
that was.
Ankita Pradhan, unless they ask, don't start explaining about it. If they want expansion, tell only the expansion. If they tell you, please tell us something about what is that LAF, then you have to explain about it. Could you follow?
Oh, okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Otherwise, you are answering very well. And
Okay.
next last question for you. What is NHB?
National Housing Bank, sir.
Very